Majority of our workforce is women coming from remote villages with little opportunities.
చిన్నపిల్లలు ఉన్న వల్ల ఇంట్లోనే ఉండిపోయాను. నాకంటూ ఒక గుర్తింపు లేదు.
మా రిలేషన్ కూడా మా ఇంటికి వచ్చేవాళ్ళు కాదు. ఎందువల్ల అంటే రేకులు ఇంట్లో ఉన్నారు అనేసి ఫీలింగ్ చూపించేవాళ్ళు.
ఇటీవల కొన్ని ప్రాబ్లం వల్ల మేము చాలా అప్పుల్లో అయిపోయినాము.
Make in India is one of the key programs started by Honorable Prime Minister Mr. Modi and is changing the economic landscape of the country and will create millions of jobs. When we started our India business, we wanted to build a truly Indian company with Indian values. That's why we announced our Make in India plans. Our first plant was already being run at more than 100% utilization, and still we were not able to fulfill the entire demand. That's when we started planning a new manufacturing plant along with a partner Foxconn.
As a part of this Make in India initiative, we consider this as a great privilege to employ these women in thousands.
It's very humbling to see how this has transformed their lives.
ఈ శ్రీ సిటీ రావడం వల్ల చాలా మంది లేడీస్ పని கல்பிస్తున్నారు. யாரும் எங்க அத்தவங்க கூட சரி என்கிட்ட பேசாதவங்க இப்போ என்கிட்டயே வராங்க. அவங்க அவ்வளோ இதுவாக நமக்கு என் சொந்த கல்ல நான் நிற்கிறேன்.
ரியலி நான் ஒரு பெரிய டீம் ஒர்க்காக தான் ஃபீல் பண்ணுறேன். இந்த நெகிழ்ச்சியான தருணம் Xiaomi and Foxconn management, we can thank.
Xiaomi providing high quality products with high specifications, working very well in an e-enabled environment.
We have had great success in India thanks to all the love and support from our fans.
In our campus, we make one phone a second, and it's a big exercise. And this workforce has to be broadened from about 80 kilometers, having the right transportation, which is safe, the right kind of nutrition, for the workforce. So it is an incredible exercise, which translates today into one phone a second. In 1 or 2 years, these young women grow into very confident, who have a sense of achievement.
అప్పుడు చైనా దేశంలో మొబైల్ తయారైతే మన ఇండియా కంట్రీలో మనము చూసుకునే వాళ్ళమి. ఇప్పుడు మన ఇండియాలోనే మేము స్వహస్తాలతో మేము తయారు చేసే మొబైల్ చాలా గర్వంగా ఉంది.
Special thanks to Foxconn, who has been a great partner in our India growth story. We are very thankful to Andhra Pradesh government, who has been very supportive of our Make in India plans in Sri City, Andhra Pradesh.
Xiaomi has had quite a journey in India in the last 3 years. With small beginnings in 2014, Xiaomi has now become India's biggest smartphone vendor by sharing the leadership position with Samsung in the third quarter of 2017. Now, the Chinese company has established its third manufacturing facility in the country, following the first 2 production units in Sri City, Andhra Pradesh. The new factory located in Noida, Uttar Pradesh is specifically designed for producing a new made-in-India Mi Power Bank range called the Mi Power Bank 2i that comes in a 10,000 mAh and 20,000 mAh capacities. We had a chance to visit this new manufacturing facility recently and saw firsthand what goes into making these power banks. Both the Mi Power Bank 2i models have lithium polymer battery packs, dual USB outputs, and smart control chips backed by Texas Instruments. Between the two, the 10,000 mAh Mi Power Bank 2i has a double anodized aluminium design, while the 20,000 mAh Mi Power Bank 2i comes in a polycarbonate case and includes Quick Charge 3.0 technology.
And I really hope this will help disrupt the entire power bank industry the way Made in India program helped us disrupt the entire smartphone industry and helped us become the #1 smartphone brand in the country.
The facility, spread across a total area of 2.3 lakh square feet, presently has over 500 employees that enable the production of 7 Mi Power Bank 2i units per minute. The production process begins with the testing of raw materials, including the cases, buttons, batteries, and the chipsets of the power banks. The workers use a batch sample testing model to ensure a safe experience for end users. Once the testing of raw materials is completed, the components reach the upper floor of the factory where the Mi Power Bank 2i models take their actual shape. HiPad technology has deployed robotic machines for fixing the power bank cases as well as for attaching the TI chips. However, most of the remaining work is accomplished manually. Each of the Mi Power Bank 2i models goes through conveyor belts that let workers add all the required components easily. Xiaomi has partnered with Shenzhen-based Hypad Technology to manufacture the Mi Power Bank 2i range through its Indian factory. The manufacturer is already producing Mi Power Banks in China.
So we started working on this factory about a year back, and we worked with a partner, Hypad, to bring the latest and the best technology production lines here in the country. I think we have got huge amount of support from both the local government as well as the central government for all our Make in India plans, including for both smartphones as well as for power banks.
The finished Mi Power Bank 2i units reached the packaging stage. Xiaomi has already started procuring packaging materials for the Mi Power Bank 2i locally to further reduce costs. Also, the packaging includes some signs that help customers identify counterfeit Mi Power Banks. There's a hologram and a unique code to highlight the product's authenticity. Initially, the Noida facility will cater the demand of Indian customers, though Xiaomi has plans to even export Mi Power Bank 2i's from its Indian factory. More than 70% of the people working at the local facility holds a BTech degree. Additionally, Xiaomi and Hypad Technology are planning to expand the existing headcount by hiring fresh talent. Xiaomi is already leading the power bank company in India, competing against manufacturers like Intex and Lenovo. However, the new facility would help it grow even bigger in the Indian market. The 10,000 mAh Mi Power Bank 2i is priced at 799 rupees, while its 20,000 Mi Power Bank version is available at 1499 rupees. These compelling prices are likely to retain the market share of Mi Power Bank.
ఈ వీడియో కనుక మీకు నచ్చినట్లయితే సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి, మరి లైక్ చేయండి, కామెంట్ చేయడం మర్చిపోవద్దు.